This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. It's all about. Does anyone else, have you guys created any own skills lately, or um, create any new automations?
I, I'm, I've created a series of skills to help me study, like a skill to help with mnemonics, a skill to decide if it's worthwhile studying something, a skill to ask me Socratic questions, a skill to be an eager student, that I teach the thing that I'm learning. I teach it to that student.
Nice.
Um, a, a, a skill to make learning fun as opposed to making it dreary. That's sort of there's a few others. But that's
My
interesting.
my mentor from my undergrad, who he's still my mentor now, right? We're still good friends. He always hated that what was it? What's the Sesame Street? Because he said it got people thinking that learning was supposed to be easy, super easy. And then when they would run into something hard, they would struggle and they get mad. He's like, but learning can't, it's it's not usually easy. But I think now I'd say it really can't, anything can be broken down to, well, let's rephrase it to be easier, right? It can be definitely better ways to, depending on your how you learn, if you're a video versus audio versus whatever it is, right? They can convert it to your mode. They can be patient. So yeah, we've the world has changed.
I think the learning part is how the person that's teaching it is conveying the idea. Because I've had teachers who were sucked and go to somewhere else and get the same information, and the teacher just explained it a totally different way. And you know what I mean? I think it's more about how the information is getting to you in a way that your brain can process it. It's not, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
It's,
think they
it's
adapt it to you, right? Is the
right.
point?
Yeah,
Like,
it's more about how
right.
you interpret the concept that they're trying to, give you. And once that clicks, it's like, bink. You know what I mean? The light bulb goes off, and then all these other things that you didn't understand 5 seconds ago, all you understand all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Claude is the best teacher I've come across.
He's the most patient.
Okay, so I learned from videos at some point the JavaScript. So I whenever I watch that video again, so I learn more. So you develop your brain to get grasp of something, and then now you have some tools with you. And now you watch that thing again, you understand more things, so you get more meaning out of it. So that's how you you gradually repeat, learn, and from the same thing. I would say.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Um, at the same time, and I'm playing sort of playing devil's advocate, right? Is I think so much of the times now we don't need to learn, even though we want to. There's things we want to learn. I'm not knocking that at all, right? But the fact that I don't have to learn YAML or Python or C Sharp, right? Because Claude can actually just do it. It can listen to what I'm saying, and that's where. And I know Ray, you've been working on this too with your Obsidian, your brain, right? Your second brain or whatever is better teaching Claude how you work and what you do to better understand what you're trying to do. It fills in the gaps for you. Like that makes it so much easier for it to implement when you ask it to do certain things for you. That as much as I want to use AI for learning, at the same time, I'm like, a lot of the stuff I don't want to learn. I just want to be able to do it.
I think that goes with most technologies, where after a while you just want to use it. It's nice
So,
to know how it might work, but you don't really need to know how it works to use it. You know what I mean? It's
yep.
just, like we all know how we don't want to use fire. We all don't know how to always make a fire. You know what I mean? But we know how to use it.
Yeah, or a
You know,
TV is my
or a
favorite
TV,
example.
or a TV, or anything, or even your car. You know,
Yeah.
you might have a basic concept, but that's about as far as it goes, and that's basically all you need. It doesn't make us, lazy or anything. It's just that you don't need to have that much attention to it.
Yeah. Yeah. And it frees you up for other stuff.
Right. Because I was thinking about this when we were talking a little bit ago. I'm like, I wonder if all the stuff that we're doing, is really worth all the extra hassle, because pretty much you can just ask the AI now just to do it all. But
Well,
I'm like enjoying the process of doing it
yeah.
myself, though. Don't get me wrong, it's like a hobby. Like,
Yeah.
you want to learn it because it's fun for you, but you don't really need to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And to add to that though, David, that's where I realized even as good in the last, like let's say 10 days ago, before that, but let's say a month ago, maybe a month and a half, 2 months ago, I was using the browser with Claude and I was happy. I was doing stuff and I was happy. And then I switched over to using VS Code and interacting it with its, and it was like it was night and day of like, oh my God. And both of them I had skills, right? I had
Right.
stuff. But now when I realized if I create and train my skills better, Claude is so much better at delivering on what I'm looking for, right? Like to do stuff, skips half of the problems at least, probably more than half, like 70,
Right.
80%, right? So, oh, and that was one thing I was going to show you.
I don't know. I ran that insight stuff. It gave me a nice report and was like, you should do these
Yeah,
things. And I'm like, I haven't done it yet, but I'm like, because I was also something else I was reading was your Claude MD file. You need to clean that up every time a new release, even a small one, because there's stuff in there that you might have had in there based on an old model that
right.
doesn't portray anymore and is just eating up tokens and stuff.
Yeah, yeah. And even giving it the wrong, yeah, I think part of it's you eating up tokens because you're giving it instructions that are no longer needed.
Correct.
But it's also what you're doing with it changes as well, right?
Yeah, what I'm doing today with it as opposed to what I did with it last year at the same time, night and day.
Yeah.
Also learn how to talk to it as opposed to.
Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule.